Have you ever seen an app that claims you can make money just by watching ads? Like literally sitting on your couch, watching videos and getting paid. Sounds fake, right? But here's the crazy part. Some people are making money from these apps. Not thousands of dollars overnight, but real money. So the big question is, which apps are legit? Which ones are scams? And how much can you actually earn? Stay until the end because most people waste months on the wrong apps. And today I am going to save your from that mistake. So I can divide all sections. So first up is section 1. Why these apps exist, alright. So first let's understand something important. A lot of people thinks these apps are free money. They are not. These companies are making money from advertisers. Big brands pay apps so ads users, and instead of keeping all the money, the app shares a tiny percentage with you. That's the business model. Listen carefully. This is important. If an app says watch one ad and earn $100 instantly, that's a scam. No advertisers is paying that much for one view. Real apps usually pay a few cents, sometimes 2 cents a cent per ad. And honestly, that's normal because you are not doing skilled work. You are basically trading asset and time. But if you use the right strategy, it can still become useful side income, especially for students, beginners, or people trying to make their first dollar online. Our section 2, the biggest lie on the internet. Now let's be tell you the biggest lie. YouTube thumbnails keep pushing. Make $500 per day watching ads. No, that is not realistic. Most people using these apps earn somewhere between $1 to $5 per day casually. Maybe $50 to $150 per month consistently. Sometimes more if they combine multiplication apps and refers. That's the truth nobody tells you, and honestly, I respect realistic income more than fake millionaire promises because realistic methods actually work. Most people don't know this. The goal is not to rely only on ad watching apps. The smart move is to use them as extra pocket money, gift card income, savings money, or starter cash for something beginners. That's mindset changes everything. Our section 3, types of watch ads app. Now there are actually different categories of these apps, and understanding this can save you a lot of time. Type number 1, reward apps. This app give point for watching ads, watching short videos, completing small tasks, surveys, checking offers. Then you redeem points, PayPal cash, gift cards, or crypto something. These are usually the safest category. Type number 2, gaming reward apps. These apps technically pay you for playing games, but between levels, you watch ads. That's how they monetize. Sometimes users make a few dollars weekly from these apps. Not life changing, but decent for spare time. Type number 3, cashback apps. This is interesting. Some apps reward you for interesting with spend content or shopping ads, instant or direct payment. You save money. And honestly, saving $20 is basically the same as earning $20. A lot of people ignore that. Type number 4, scam apps. Now this category is huge. These apps, some fake balance like, congratulations, you earned $700. But when you try to withdraw, suddenly minimum payout increase, ad stop loading, account just under review, or payments never arrive. Huge red flag. If an app feel too good to be true, it probably is. Our section 4, how much can you realistic earn? Alright, let's talk real number. Imagine you spend 30 minutes per day using 2 or 3 legit apps. Constantly, you make earn $20, $50, even $100 monthly. Now, before you click away, listen carefully. A lot of beginners fail online because they expect huge money instantly. But your first online earnings are powerful physically. You first $5 online change your mindset. Your first $50 proves, okay, money on the interest is actually real. And once you believe that, you start exploring beginner opportunities, freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. Everything starts with the first dollar. Our section 5, warning signs of fake apps. This section might save your months. Here are major red flags. Red flag number 1, unrealistic earnings. If the app promises $1,000 weekly, instant reach, guarantee passive income, run away immediately. Real apps don't talk like that. Red flag number 2, forced deposits. If they ask you to pay $20 to unlock withdrawals, that's dangerous. Legit apps don't force payment to cash out. Red flag number 3, no payment proof anywhere. Search online, check reviews, check forms, check social media. If nobody has successfully withdrawn money, that's a bad sign. Red number flag 4, fake countdown timers. You have seen this before. Timers. You seen this before. Hooray, only 2 minutes left. It's fake origami. Scam apps love physically tricks. Section 6, smart strategy most people ignore. Now here's where things get interesting. Most people use these apps the wrong way. They sit for 5 hours trying to earn $3. That's terribly. Instead, use their apps during dead time. For example, while commuting, during breaks, while watching TV, waiting in line, before sleeping. They way it feels like bonus income instead of waste hours. This is important. Time matters more than money. Never spend 8 hours for $4. That's not smart. Use low effort apps only during low value time. Our section 7, the referral trick. Now let's talk about sometimes most people overlook refers. A lot of these apps give bonuses when friends join using your link, and sometimes referrals earn more than watching ads itself. For example, one referral may earn you $1 or a percentage of their activity. Now, I am not saying scam people. Please don't do that. If you are already have TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook content, you can naturally mention app you are actually use. Some creators make $50, $100, even several $100 monthly just from referrals. That's far more realistic than getting rich more ads. Our section 8, my honest advice for beginners. If you are starting online, here's my recommendation. Use ad watching apps only as a starting point, not a final decision. Because eventually your goal should be building skills, building audience, building income source. Watching ads is every level income. But skills create freedom. For example, video editing, thumbnail design, YouTube automations, like social media management or AI content creation. Those skills can eventually pay $50, $100, even $500 plus per project. That's where real growth happens. But everyone starts somewhere, and there's nothing wrong with starting small. So our let's is section 9. So a realistic example. Let's imagine two people. Person A spends 6 hours daily watching ads only, trying to be rich. After 1 month, maybe they made $40. Now person B spend $20 on reward apps, saves small earnings, learns a skill for 2 hours daily. After 6 months, completely different future. That's the difference between short-term chasing and long-term building. Most people don't know this. The internet rewards value creation more than actually consumption. That sentence can literally change your life. So our final reality check. Can you earn money by watching ads? Yes, absolutely. Can it realistic a full-time job? Probably not for most people. Can it help beginners make their first online income? Definitely. And sometimes that first small earnings is all you need to start believing in yourself. Just remember, avoid scams, keep explanation realistic, project your time, and use this app strategically. That's the key. If you enjoyed this video and if this video is helpful, make to hit the like button and subscribe for the more real earning content with zero fake promise. And comment below, would you actually try ad watching apps, or do you think you are a waste of time? I read the comments all the time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.